आप सभी को अंजलि का नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? सो गाइस, आज मैं आपके साथ एक और लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने जा रही हूँ किसी का। जिन हस्ती से मैं आपको मिलवाने जा रही हूँ वो हैं बरखा छिब्बर, और उनका जो पैशन था उन्होंने उसको 20 इयर्स बैक अपने प्रोफेशन में कन्वर्ट कर लिया। एंड नाउ शी 63, पर अभी भी वो उस पर अपने पैशन को पूरा कर रही हैं। तो चलिए, बस ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते, अब हम उन्हीं से मिलते हैं और उन्हीं से सुनते हैं कि उनका क्या पैशन है और वो क्या करती हैं। तो लेट्स गो। हेलो बरखा, हाउ आर यू? वेलकम टू
Hello,
माय।
hello Anjali. Yeah, all good. Thanks. Thanks for inviting me to your show.
इट्स माय प्लेजर, इट्स माय प्लेजर। सो बरखा, जैसे कि अब आप नाउ यू आर 63 आई थिंक, तो मतलब आई जस्ट वांट टू नो अबाउट योर पैशन कि कैसे, मतलब आप अपने बारे में खुद ही व्यूअर्स को बताएं कि आप क्या करते हैं और आपका क्या पैशन है।
Like, passion, it has been always my desire, like to do something
हाँ,
for kids and to be with them, which will give me, fulfillment, which will give me happiness, which will, make me feel joy, will give me joy, basically, like satisfaction. That's it.
राइट राइट राइट।
Passion, then I thought, how can I achieve this? How can I get satisfaction, happiness in doing what?
ओके
Then I thought, like to be with kids, teach them, do something for them. So I
ओके
got into tuition. I started taking classes at home, so that I
ओके
could be also, and I could also do my household chores also. Like I could look after my home also. That was the basic area. Yeah.
ओके। लाइक कब से, मतलब सिंस हाउ लॉन्ग यू आर डूइंग दिस?
It has been almost 20 years now. I have been into this profession.
ओके।
Yeah.
तो
Yeah.
क्या सब बच्चे आते हैं आपके पास, लाइक ऑल द क्लासेस?
Earlier, when I had started from lower classes, but not at present. I'm taking from class 6 onwards, like from 6 to class 10. I take.
ओके
Yeah.
ओके ओके। सो बरका, इट्स रियली कमेंडेबल कि आप 20 ईयर से मतलब ये कर रहे हैं। तो मतलब इट्स अ रियली बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टीच द किड्स, और मतलब डिफरेंट उनकी जनरेशन से समझ लो आप कि 20 ईयर्स पहले कैसे बच्चे थे, अब जो है जो आप बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं। तो व्हाट
Yes.
डिफरेंट डू यू like in teaching today's generation and like 20 years back?
Yeah, there has been many changes what I have seen since 20 years. So earlier it was,
Mm-hmm.
to teach from books, or we used to
Uh-huh.
give but nowadays it is like you can have online classes, you have children have iPads, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So even earlier, like, even any information you wanted to have, you had to sit in the library, issue books, or sit in the library, look for your answers, whatever you want to know, the whatever your requirement is. But nowadays it is at the click of a, you just click a button, you go to the internet, you get the complete information sitting at home only. That is, and this is a time saver for the
Right.
kids as, right? So nowadays it is more focus is on the skills. Earlier it was
Okay.
on content what you are teaching, but now it is on skills.
Yeah, I remember हम लोग भी कितने, हमको भी पहले कितने नोट्स बनाने पड़ते थे. We used to do that. Nowadays iPad, there's laptop, so it's really easy for the kids.
बिल्कुल.
Right. सो बरखा, कुछ बताओ कि जो पहले जनरेशन के थे पेरेंट्स थे, उनमें और आज के जो पेरेंट्स हैं उनमें क्या डिफरेंस दिखता है आपको?
यार, काफी डिफरेंस है. जब हम छोटे होते थे और पढ़ते थे, हमारे पेरेंट्स थे, दे वर चिल्ड आउट, you know they knew कि our child has got certain limitations. If he is good in studies, or if she is good in studies, he or she, so it is okay. But at nowadays, in the present scenario, every parent, they are over ambitious for their child. They want their child to do well in all the spheres. And what happens in
राइट
this case, it is putting a lot of stress on the children. It
Okay,
puts
right,
stress on the children, and so and they are expecting too much from the kids.
right. हाँ, वो तो खैर है ही, आजकल तो परसेंटेज भी जो है दैट गोज टू 99%, 98%। तो हमारे टाइम में तो मतलब 60% आना भी बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात होती थी।
Yeah, because
राइट, यू आर
अब systems change हो गए हैं. The method of
राइट, यू आर
examination changed. During our times, we had few questions, 5, 7 questions, long answers. You answer them, and you are through it. But nowadays,
या
they see the minute details, what is in the chapter, and accordingly, they are tested for that.
राइट, यू आर राइट। सो बरखा, आई लास्ट यू वन थिंग कि आप मतलब टीचर का क्या रोल है कि जैसे आजकल की दुनिया में कितने सारे गैजेट्स हैं और बच्चों की कंसंट्रेशन लेवल लाइक मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा कम है, तो मतलब टीचर्स कैसे आप ग्रूम करते हो बच्चों को आजकल की स्टडीज के हिसाब से?
Yeah, you're very right. It is a difficult task for the teachers to make the kids, to have
राइट,
that type of concentration because of the
राइट,
gadgets around. There's so many distractions, and in
राइट,
younger, the level of concentration it fluctuates, right?
ओके,
So we have to keep them engaged in such a manner so that their interest also continues and they do not lag behind. And
ओके,
this can be done when you are relating their studies to the things around what they
राइट,
see,
राइट,
whatever. So, and
ओके,
in students which of higher classes, their concentration is maximum till 45 minutes they can sit and study. And to them also, when I'm teaching, you have to give them a break.
ओके,
You take a break, you will come. Initially, they will pick up. बीच में आ जाएगा तो they, their grasping power slows down, and then again they pick up. So that we
ओके,
have to that is their interest continues.
ओके, ओके, एंड
As far as I am concerned, when I teach kids, I don't like teaching in big. I prefer teaching individually, like so that you
ओके,
can focus on the child properly and you can know their shortcomings and you have got a good
ओके,
relationship with them. And then I don't only focus them on studies. I see to it
राइट,
like even overall development in them. Like I see, give them good values, good beliefs, good habits, like so that they develop overall development is there, right? And
ओके,
this they can achieve skills like
राइट,
decision making, like problem solving, time management, and then
ओके,
how to solve the information they have got, how they synthesize that information, so that when they grow, it will help them to get success in life.
ओके, राइट, यू आर राइट। हाँ, सो इट्स रियली गुड बरखा कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे से बच्चों की लाइक उनका पूरा उनकी ग्रूमिंग कर रहे हैं, आई विल से दैट। पर आजकल
Thank
तो थोड़ी ये प्रॉब्लम रही है लाइक दिस कोरोना एंड ऑल, देन हाउ डू यू आर मैनेजिंग इट?
Yeah, it has been quite a task how to teach them, Then I thought of, why not take online classes? So much
ओह,
advancement in technology, so why not give it a try on this? So,
इट्स रियली गुड,
I
93 लाइक
started,
यू आर आल्सो
yes. So this pandemic has also taught us that sitting at home only, we can teach, we can take online classes. Here also,
लाइक
I am taking individually. I at least give 3 to 4 hours, 1 hour each to each child individually, so that their interest remains, their interest continues, and they grasp properly.
सो वी विल से कि दैट मतलब किसी भी उम्र में मतलब एंड आपको हर चीज के साथ अपडेट रहना चाहिए कि लाइक यू हैव आल्सो लर्न हाउ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस नाउ।
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, you are very right, very true. We have to be with time. We have to be
या
with time.
या राइट। सो बरखा, नाउ आई से कि आपके पास एनी एडवाइस यू वांट टू गिव टू पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स नाउडेज?
Like it would not be right to say key advice, I can always suggest what I feel.
Okay.
What is good for what parents and teachers. Like for parents, I would say like they should not be over ambitious.
Right.
They should work on the strengths and weaknesses of a child. They
Right.
should build on the strengths and work on their shortcomings. They should work on it so that
Right.
they are not burdened, they are not stressed, and
Right.
they grow up very well, very nicely. They should be nurtured like a small kid, you know.
Right.
And for teachers, I would say like they should understand the child's problem. What is it?
Right.
Have a good communication with the child.
Mm-hmm.
So that is, I think, the foremost. If you understand the child better, the child's difficulties, their problems, in which
Right.
sphere lagging behind, so nothing like it, nothing like it, and make teaching a fun, not a how
Right.
out of, right?
Yeah. You're right. You're right. So, Barkha, really, you have given good tips for the parents and as well as the teachers. So, really, really, it was my pleasure having you on my channel. Thank you for coming and giving me some time. Really, really, I'm really thankful to you.
I should thank you for inviting me to your channel. You are doing such a wonderful job. You are giving such good tips and cooking. You are giving fabulous recipes, simple and quick. I wish you all the best. You do wonders in coming years, and all the best for your channel 60s with Anjali.
थैंक यू सो मच बरखा. ओके.
Thank you,
अब फिर कब मिलेंगे फिर किसी टॉपिक पर. आपसे जरूर मैं फिर बात करूंगी. ओके.
thank you so much. Okay.
सो गाइस, जैसे हमें बरखा ने बताया, मैं बोलूँगी टीचर्स आर नॉट टू प्रिपेयर स्टूडेंट्स फॉर समथिंग, बट टीचर्स आर टू हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपेयर देमसेल्व्स फॉर एनीथिंग. मतलब उन्होंने जैसे बताया कि वो ग्रूम भी करती हैं साथ के साथ और साथ के साथ बच्चों को पढ़ाती भी हैं. तो बस मैं यही कहूँगी आज कि कोई भी अपना पैशन है उसको पूरा कीजिए. और जैसे कि वो देखिए अब आजकल ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए भी उन्होंने सीखना शुरू करा, मतलब तो 63 की हैं वो. तो हमें भी ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि नाउ वी आर 60+ वी कैन नॉट लर्न एनीथिंग. सो गाइज, आप भी कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर करिए, अपना टाइम पास करिए, अपना पैशन पूरा कीजिए. बस आज के लिए इतना ही. तो फिर बस अगली बार मिलते हैं किसी और टॉपिक पर और आपसे बातचीत करते हैं. नमस्कार.